I've been attending Peter Johnson's group coaching. I feel like it's since the year dot. I've been going there for about 8 or 9 years, and it's just been the best thing for A1 testing and tagging. It's grown the business so much. Whenever I have questions, I get some direction. It just builds so much confidence, and it's helped our whole team. Whenever I have an issue with the team or with how to do anything, I know that I'll be able to work it out and find a really great solution. I enjoy the group coaching because it puts me in a room with other businesses, so you don't feel like you're alone, because it can be a bit lonely being business operator and not an employee. I meet lots of other business owners at networking events or whatever, and I tell them all the time they should go and get coaching. They should come along to Peter's group classes and get out of it what I get out of it. I love it.